Hello? Hello, is this thing on? Hello? Oh yeah, alright. Hey guys. How's it going? Howdy, Krispy Kremers. It is I, Dr. Sluggo. I know, you guys have probably been crying over my last video and how I haven't uploaded for like 2 months, but guess what? Yeah, I'm back. Today we are going to be trying to go for the world record of Subway Surfers. Yes, you heard me right, the world record. And you see my score, it's at like almost 2 million, yeah. That won't be good enough at all. So we'll have to get like, I don't know, like a lot. Okay, yeah. Let's get right into the video. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that you could hear my game audio now. If you don't, I'm sorry. But yeah. If you didn't hear already, or if you can't, the Subway Surfers new like season theme song is cool. I mean, like it has like the normal theme song of Subway Surfers, but it has a mix at the start of it, a part of a Nirvana song. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a band from the 1990s called Nirvana. They did some like grunge music. Pretty cool. Funny thing is that I'm actually wearing a Nirvana shirt right now. Yeah, I know. And it's actually not. It is a coincidence, I swear. So yeah. When I was on my so-called break, you know, my 2-month break or whatever, wasn't really even a break, but yeah, I was, oh god, no, get that out of there. Oh, just got a YouTube notification, which is not good. Yeah, what have you, yeah, I was playing a lot of Call of Duty, you know, like that first person shooter, you know, like I was playing Call of Duty Cold War, especially zombies. I wouldn't say I'm a pro, but I am pretty good. Oh gosh. So yeah, let's things are starting to get serious now. I'm at 100,000 right now. 100,000. I have